quick reading for April the 9th to April the 10th, Pisces. Your cards are the Temperance, the Six of Pentacles, the Sun. Nakakahiyaan pa daw kunyari. Pwedeng itong sabihin natin kung singles or no labels. Nakikita naman natin yung efforts no, ng isa't isa. Meron doong banters of energies na hindi man natin sinasabi in verbal form, pero pinapakita natin na I care. Si persons, dami. Si person, ganun din naman. Yung energy niya is hindi lang din makapagsalita. Parang nagkakahiyaan. Ito yung sinasabi natin, yung parang mga high school kind of mga crushes, may namumula, no, yung pisngi, yung mukha, dahil nahihiya, may awkwardness, pero nandun yung love. Kung meron naman kayong challenges nitong karelasyon mo, nandun din yung awkwardness, pero hindi ko man sinasabi sa'yo, this is my way of apologizing. It can be giving you flowers, alam kong galit ka, parang iaabot ko na lang sa'yo, so mamumula yung mukha ko dahil gusto ko bang mag-sorry, baka mamaya sigawan mo ako, kaya eto na, no? Parang ganon. So this is them apologizing and expression their emotions. So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for April the 9th to April the 10th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.